Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Fidelity app watchlist sync and alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Fidelity app on your mobile device. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the watchlist section. If you don't have a watchlist yet, create one by tapping on Create Watchlist. Add stocks or assets you want to monitor. After setting up your watchlist, return to the main screen. Next, go to the Settings menu, usually found in the upper corner. Select Notifications from the list. Make sure alerts for watchlist updates are enabled. You can customize the types of alerts you wish to receive. Choose between price alerts, news alerts, or any other relevant notifications. After adjusting your preferences, save the changes. To confirm that your alerts are syncing, return to your watchlist. Check for any existing alerts by tapping on each stock listed. If you see alerts next to the stocks, your sync is successful. You can also test the alert by changing a stock price and observing if the notification comes through. Once verified, you're all set to stay updated with your investments. Remember, always periodically check your settings to ensure everything stays synced. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.